Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys my favorite subscription box ever, and that is FABFITFUN, and it is the summer unboxing. So this is the beauty right here. It kind of matches my dress a little bit. I did not try to do that. But yeah, this is the summer box, and I'm so excited to open this up with you guys. This summer it looks like the best box yet. So we are gonna dive right into this in just 1 second. Okay, so let me explain to you guys what FABFITFUN is really quick. If you do not know, it is a seasonal subscription box with lifestyle beauty items, and it is $49.99 every season. Or if you want to do the year membership, you get it for $179.99. That is what I personally do, just to save $20. And then if you guys have not signed up for FABFITFUN yet, I have a code below that will get you $10 off your first box, making it $39.99. That is what FABFITFUN is all about. It is my favorite subscription box ever. If I had to just choose one, I would do FABFITFUN. So let's get into the summer box. Here we go. Okay, so inside it says FABFITFUN, and it's like a tropical vacation looking vibes going on here. Okay, so, whoa, things are falling out of the box. Okay, so we have the FABFITFUN magazine, which everything that you get in the box is in here with all the prices and tips and tricks on what to do with the items. And I always enjoy reading this. Sometimes they'll give you things, you think you know what you're gonna do with it, but then they give you a tip and you're like, oh shoot, I'm gonna do that instead. So this is super fun and tells you all the items in the box. Okay, so here is the beautiful little presentation here. We're just gonna rip it open. We're gonna get into this box. We are gonna see what is inside. Oh my gosh, this thing is full. So let's see what we got here. Okay, first item. This is definitely a necklace because I picked it out. I know what this is. This is a cute little star necklace. This looks like it's nice and long for, you could layer this or just wear it alone. And it has cute little stars on it, which is just gonna be super fun for summertime. I really like this necklace. I've always enjoyed the necklaces that FABFITFUN sends out. I actually have one on right now that I always wear, and so I'm so excited for this as well. Okay, next item. This is the 111 Skin. And these are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. 5 sheet masks. Oh my gosh. If you guys know me, you know that I'm excited about this because I love masks. They make me happy, and this is perfect for summertime. A sheet mask is great for summer because they're kind of like cold on your skin. So if you're hot, they kind of cool you down and relax you at night. So I'm excited to throw this on my face. I'm like so hot right now. My ring light is making me like so hot. So I keep flipping my hair from side to side to try to like cool myself off. I can't believe like how hot I am right now. I am like so freaking excited about these two items. I have wanted to buy this shower cream on Sephora for like a year. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, and I am so looking forward to putting this on my body. Let me smell this for you guys. Oh my gosh, so it smells just like the famous Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, which is such a good smell. If you guys haven't smelled it, when you go to Sephora next, smell the Bum Bum Cream. This is the Bum Bum Cream. So we got like a mini size of the Bum Bum Cream, and I have like the big one of this, and it's just bomb. It smells really good. It smells like praline cookies or something like that. I kind of think of that when I put it on myself, like toffee, nutty caramel vibes. But this has like just the tiniest little sparkle, but like just a slight shimmer to the lotion, which is so pretty in the summertime. You just got this nice sparkle all over your skin, but not anything like overwhelming. Like you could only like notice it if you're really close up to your skin. It just gives your skin like a really pretty like shine. So I'm excited to have another one of these. My big one is just running out. It's lasted me like almost 2 years. So this is great to replenish that for now. So I am stoked about these products. Next item in the box is the Kula Makeup Setting Spray. And this brand is sunscreen brand, and this is SPF 30. So this is like a setting spray with sunscreen. I'm gonna probably use a sunscreen on my face like normal and then put this on top just for an extra shield. I'm looking forward to trying this out and seeing if it works great or not. Okay, so the packaging on this is so pretty. Like, it looks like tropical vacation water. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out. Okay, so the next item in here is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. That is different. Okay, so this is different because a foot mask, like I've seen like the little sock foot masks where you like put a little sock on your foot and you tie it up and you put your foot in there for 20 minutes. And this is like a lotion, probably like a heavy cream that you put on your feet before bed. And it says to apply liberally and let dry and then go to bed and wake up to beautiful soft feet. So this is really neat. So it's more of like a foot cream, I'm guessing. I'm looking forward to this because my feet need this. The next thing is gonna be something I use completely up probably in a month or two. This is the Ico London Black Liquid Eyeliner. I'm looking forward to this little beauty because I go through eyeliner like nothing else because I do a wing eyeliner every single day that I put makeup on. It's just my thing right now. I love it. This little card says it's a pitch black and waterproof eyeliner. So this is supposed to stay on. This is perfect for summertime. Perfect for humidity and sweating and all sorts of summer activities, I'm sure. This has a nice felt tip. It's a little bit thicker, but I'm guessing this will just give me a beautiful line and control. So yeah, definitely will be using this because that is my thing I do every day. Ooh. Okay, so the next thing I just pulled out of the box is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple. I thought for sure I just put eyeliner all over my dress, so that's why I looked down and I freaked myself out, but it had already dried, thank goodness. So this is the Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Another mask. Oh my gosh, this is like the box for Sarah Braxton because it has 3 different types of masks. So this is literally the best box ever. And I love a good clay mask. Like, I love how they dry down. And I always feel like clay masks just like suck out like all the nasty stuff out of your pores. So I am looking forward to putting this on my face probably 2 nights. Yeah, bomb. This is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Ooh, that is intriguing. Okay, so I'm hoping this does not smell like straight up like hardcore roses because I'm not a big fan of that, but let me see. Cute little packaging inside. It says good choice with a little like winky face, which is super cute. Oh, it's really pretty. Okay, so this definitely has a floral smell, but you know what? This one might work for me. I will test it out and then pass it along if it doesn't. So I'm always up for a good facial spray though, so this is awesome to get in the box, and the only thing would be the smell. So yeah, cool. Okay, so the next and last item is the Invisible Traceless Hair Ring. I have seen these forever. I've always wondered if they work. Ooh. Okay, so these, I'm looking forward to trying these out. I don't know if they'll work for my hair though, because I got a lot of hair. I got so much hair that my hairdressers throughout the years have told me, you have like 10 times the amount of hair normal people do. You know what? I got lots of hair, so will these little guys work in my hair? We will see. If not, my little girls will be able to use these, I'm sure, and they might work for them. If not me, but you know what? I might be surprised, and these little guys might hold my hair like better than ever. Okay, so that is everything in my summer FabFitFun box. That box was bomb. Like, I'm so excited pretty much to try everything in the box. And My most exciting items are the Sol de Janeiro shower gel and body cream, because I just love this brand. And then the eyeliner. And I'm also looking forward to the Coola SPF 30 makeup setting spray, just because if this does work well, then it's going to be really nice for the summertime just to have that extra protection. Okay, so that is everything in my summer FabFitFun box. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming to hang out with me while I unbox my favorite subscription box. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It helps your girl out. And let me know in the comments below if you get FabFitFun or what you got in your box and what your favorite items were. I would love to hear those comments. So yeah, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.